everyone, Amanda here from Create with Scrimping Mummy. I'm just here to say that I'm going to be missing without leave for the next missing in action, whatever they say, I don't know, my brain's a mess, for at least another week. I am so sorry that there hasn't been any videos. I will still be continuing with my free images. I will still upload my free image tomorrow, and I will still adhere to my commitments for my members over on Ko-fi. You're still going to get your freebies, but I'm just going to have to pause on videos for at least another week. My teen is going through some medical tests. It's all a little bit we don't really know what's going on, but I'm just, because I'm normally a happy-go-lucky person, it will just be so apparent on my videos that something's not right. So I just wanted to come and tell you, and do you know what would really help me out whilst I'm off? If you could just go watch some old videos, just do me a favour, make sure you're subscribed, click a couple of like, couple of thumbs up, and maybe go watch some of my older videos. That would be really, really, really helpful for me as a small creator to keep my, otherwise you drop off the algorithms. Although, in all honesty, my YouTube's just, it's really not a massive concern. I'm not getting my words out right. It's not a priority. However, my followers are a priority because, you know, you've supported me through thick and thin. My customers are, and my ladies and gents on my Facebook group. So I won't let you down. I'll still do my digital work, but there won't be any videos or tutorials until I know what's going on and I can speak without breaking down. So there. So that's all I've got to say for now. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll be back as soon as I can.